Greetings, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, thank you for stopping by. This is Sister J. A warm welcome to you. To all my channel members and all my supporters, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate you. Please continue to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. As you can see by the title, I am making this lovely punch. Come along with me.
You know, cinnamon, for your device, you know, say a chat boss. I may represent for the most creative person on YouTube. Sister J, I hear a word. Sister J word, I hear a word.
Jackfruit have great health benefits. The flesh is good source of vitamin C and A, and its seeds are a source of protein, potassium, calcium, and iron. And unlike other fruits, jackfruits contain B vitamin, including vitamin B6, niacin, riboflavin, and folic acid, which is especially important for a healthy nervous system. Carotenoids, the pigment that give jackfruit its yellow color, are high in vitamin A. Like all antioxidants, carotenoids protect cells from damage and help your body work right. They may help prevent diseases like cancer and heart disease, as well as eye problems like cataract and macular degeneration. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead and do. Subscribe. So here are the ingredients that I'll be using for my punch. I have my jackfruit right here. I have 2 bananas over here, rich in potassium, vanilla essence, sweetened condensed milk, nutmeg, cinnamon, and almond milk. Let's get into this. Here I'm adding the jackfruit to the blender. Now I'm adding the banana. Then the almond milk. Sweetened condensed milk. Vanilla essence. Nutmeg and cinnamon powder. So I'm going to cover and blend. This blending smoothly. And to top it all off, I'm going to add Mr. J. Ray and his nephew to that. And here I have some. I'm going to add it to the mixture and then give it another blend. And here you have it, my lovely people. I'm pouring out a glass of my thick, rich, creamy Jackfruit Banana Punch. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. One love. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe for more from Sister J's World, where you'll get healthy juice, smoothie, and weekly vlog.